Hello kids, you mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 15, visualizing solid shapes of class 7. So let's start. Introduction. You have already learned about one-dimensional and two-dimensional figures. So recall that a figure is called one-dimensional means if it has only one dimension, that is length. A line segment has only length and no breadth or height. Hence, it is one-dimensional. Similarly, the figures having two dimensions, that is length and breadth, are called two-dimensional figures. For example, square, rectangle, quadrilateral, hexagon, triangle, etc. So, these are two dimensions. Okay. Now, three-dimensional objects are the objects that have three dimensions, means length, breadth and height. In our day-to-day life, we come across many 3D or three-dimensional objects like ball, book, ice cubes, almirah, ice cream cone, pipe, cylinder, etc. You are already familiar with the mathematical names of some 3D objects. You already know that in a solid shape, the flat part of the surface is called a face. And the corner where the faces meet is called a vertex, and a line where two faces meet is called an edge. Okay. So now cube. Take a square grid paper and draw a square as shown in figure. Like in the first figure, we are drawing a square ABCD, right? Then draw another square EFGH with the equal length as shown in this figure. So join, we are joining now AE, DH, FD, CG, BF like this. So what we are getting here? We are getting a cube. So a cube when drawn without a square grid paper will look like as shown in this figure. So a cube has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. 8 vertices means 8 corners. आप count कर सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 4 down, 4 up. And similarly faces क्या होंगे? जैसे front face है, back face है, 2 हो गए. Side के face है 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 1 up, 1 down, so 6 faces. You can see the room like 4 walls and 1 roof, 1 base, so it means 6 faces. Now similarly cuboid. To represent a cuboid on a square grid paper, draw a rectangle PQRS on it as shown in this figure. Now draw another rectangle like this TUVW. 2 rectangle draw की है. Now what we can do? We can join these vertices PT, US, SW, RV, QU. So what we are getting? We are getting this cuboid. So this is the cuboid, and same as cube, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. क्यूबॉइड और क्यूब में क्या डिफरेंस है? क्यूबॉइड के जो फेसेस हैं वो रेक्टेंगल शेप में हैं और क्यूब के जो फेसेस हैं वो स्क्वायर शेप में हैं. ओके, क्यूबॉइड में लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट ऑल आर डिफरेंट, बट इन क्यूब all are same. Length, breadth and height all are same, right? But number of faces दोनों में 6 है, number of edges दोनों में 12 है and number of corners और vertices दोनों में 8 हैं, right? Now the next is prism. To draw a prism, take a square grid paper and draw a triangle ABC. हमने एक triangle draw की ABC. Okay. Then draw another triangle PQR of same dimensions as triangle ABC as shown in the figure. This one. अब हमने same dimension की एक और triangle construct की PQR, right? Now we are joining like PA, QB and RC to get a prism. You may also draw QP, QR and QB as dotted line to show hidden edges as shown in this figure. So what we are getting? We are getting a prism. तो prism में how many vertices? 6 vertices, 9 edges and 5 faces. 5 faces कैसे होंगे? देखो आमने सामने के जो फेस है वो ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म में है और जो उनके साइड फेसेस आएंगे that is how many? 3 rectangle. So how many faces it has? 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. Now let us summarize in a tabular form. हमारे पास क्या है? Solids के नेम है, name of solid, number of faces, number of vertices and number of edges. अब हमने फर्स्ट लिया क्यूब. क्यूब में how many faces? क्यूब में 6 faces. And number of vertices how many? 8. And number of edges how many? 12. Okay. Similarly cuboid में number of faces 6, number of vertices 8 and number of edges it is also 12. These are edges, vertices and face. And cylinder में how many faces? 1, 2 and 3. Total 3 faces. दोनों फ्लैट है ऊपर नीचे के और जो साइड वाला है दैट इज कर्व्ड, राइट. एंड देयर इज नो वर्टेक्स एंड हाउ मेनी एजेस? 2 एजेस. स्फीयर में देयर इज ओनली 1 फेस, कर्व्ड है जो, ओके. नो वर्टेक्स, नो एज. कोन में यू कैन सी देयर आर 2 फेसेस, 1 इज फ्लैट जो बेस है एंड 1 इज कर्व्ड. एंड how many vertex? Only 1 corner, okay. And how many edge? 1 edge. And prism में how many faces? As I told you 5. 2 triangle हैं और 3 rectangular. And vertices 6 vertices हैं and edges 9 हैं, right. Similarly square pyramid. Square pyramid क्या होगा? जिसका बेस स्क्वायर होगा. जैसे आप टेम्पल देखते हैं, साइड में रेक्टेंगल्स आ जाएंगी और नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. तो साइड में कितनी ट्रायंगल्स आएंगी आपकी? 4 ट्रायंगल्स आएंगी और एक नीचे जो बेस है 5. सो हाउ मेनी फेसेस? 5 फेसेस, 4 ट्रायंगुलर एंड 1 स्क्वायर, ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी वर्टिसेस? 5 वर्टिसेस. एंड हाउ मेनी एजेस? 8 एजेस. ऐसे ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड में क्या है? बेस इज ट्रायंगल और उसके साइड्स में भी क्या आ जाएंगे? ट्रायंगल फेसेस आ जाएंगे. सो 4 फेसेस ट्रायंगुलर एंड हाउ मेनी वर्टिसेस? 4 एंड हाउ मेनी एजेस? 6, राइट. सो लाइक दिस you can do these solids. Now nets of solids. A net of a solid is another way of representing a 3D solid on a 2D surface. It is the arrangement of faces of a solid in such a manner that they can form a solid when folded or glued together. ये क्या है? कटआउट्स हैं. जैसे ये है, अगर इसको हम फोल्ड करेंगे या ग्लू लगाएंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगी? एक शेप बन जाएगी. सो दिस इज सेड टू बी द नेट. Like draw 6 rectangle of equal dimension as shown in the figure, in this figure, and fold it from the edges shown as dotted lines. You will get a cuboid. अगर हमने 6 rectangles ले लिए हैं और उनको हम फोल्ड कर रहे हैं तो what we are getting? We are getting a cuboid. ठीक है. ऐसे अगर हमने एक पेपर ले लिया जो नीचे से राउंड है, साइड्स में ऐसे अगर हम उसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास? कोन. ऐसे अगर हमने एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ले लिया है, उसको हम फोल्ड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा? एक सिलेंडर, राइट. और अगर हम इस टाइप में ले लें जिसमें 2 ट्रायंगल हैं और 3 रेक्टेंगल्स हैं, अगर हम इसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो वी विल गेट अ प्रिज्म. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस. सो नाउ मैपिंग थ्रू विजुअल एस्टिमेशन, मतलब कुछ देख के एस्टिमेट करना, अप्रॉक्सीमेट करना. As we know, estimation is the process of arriving at an approximate answer to a question in geometry. Estimate about space through visualization. Let us understand it through the following example. In this figure, small cubical boxes are stacked in larger rack of cuboidal shape. एक cuboid है big, उसमें हमने small cubes arrange कर दिए. Can you estimate the total number of smaller boxes that can be fitted in the rack? Here we do not need to measure the dimension of the rack. As seen in this figure, 2 boxes can be kept along the breadth, 3 along the height and 5 along the length. फिगर से क्लियर है कि 5 हम लेंथ के अलॉन्ग प्लेस कर सकते हैं, ब्रेथ के अलॉन्ग हम 2 प्लेस कर सकते हैं और 3 हम हाइट के अलॉन्ग प्लेस कर सकते हैं. तो बिना इसकी डायमेंशन के रैक की वी कैन फाइंड हाउ मेनी वी कैन कीप ओवर हियर. So total 5 into 2 into 3 means 30 boxes can be stacked in the rack. Okay, so visual processing is a key skill in solving real life problems. For example, in medical profession, physician take a sample of blood, tissue or body fluids to the representative of the body as a whole and analyze it to check the infection. Interior designer also require these skills to excel in their field. So let us solve some examples now. See example 1. How many cubes are there in this figure? अब आप देख सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 along length और height के along 2 और breadth के along 3. तो it means 5 into 3 into 2. There are 5 squares along the length, 3 squares along the breadth and 2 squares along the height. So total is 5 into 3 into 2 means 30 cubes are stacked in this. Okay. Example 2. There are 5 juice cans on the shelf in this figure. How many cans would be on a full shelf? So by visual estimation, we can say that 3 cans can be stacked along the height. So the total number of cans 5 plus 5 plus 5. देखो नीचे 5 हैं तो 2 lines और आ सकते हैं 5 5 की. It means total is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. So now exercise 15, based on such type of question you can try on your own. Now we are coming to summary. The figures having only 2 dimensions are called plane figures or 2D figures. The figures having 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height, are called solid figures or 3D figures. All the side faces of a pyramid, triangular, rectangular, square, etc. are triangular. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. A cube has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. A net of 3-dimensional figure is a shape that can be cut out of a flat piece of paper or cardboard and folded to make the 3D shape. Now we are coming to MCQ. Tick the correct option. The number 1, number of edges of sphere. There is no edge, 0. The second one, number of vertices of a cuboid. Number of vertices, 8. Okay. The third one, number of edges a cone. A cone has 1 edge. Okay. The fourth one, number of faces a cylinder has. A cylinder has how many faces? 3. Right. So now there is one activity you can try on your own. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.